Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn EVS Lesson 8 Food for Plants and Animals. In this lesson, we are going to learn about food chain, balance in nature, food for plants, food for animals, food web. Why do we need food? We need food to grow and to get energy to do work. There are different kinds of food that depends upon the landforms, climate and vegetation in the region. All the living things are interdependent of each other. Let us discuss about food for plants. Who prepare food for plants? Leaf prepare food with the help of carbon dioxide from the air, water from the soil and sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis. The plant that contain chlorophyll make their own food. Plants are called producers or autotrophs as they produce their own food. Do you know cactus? Yes. Is there a leaf to it? No. Cactus does not have leaves. Food is prepared in its stem. Insectivorous plants. Some plants eat insects. They are called insectivorous plants. They are green plants but grow in soil which is poor in nitrogen. To fulfill the nitrogen requirement, they will trap and eat insects. Example, Venus flytrap, pitcher plant, sundew. Venus flytrap has long pointed hair on its leaves that are sensitive to touch. As an insect sit on the leaves shut trapping the insect and digest. Pitcher plant has leaves having the shape of a pitcher. As an insect sit on the pitcher, its lid close and the insects get drawn in the digestive fluid that is prevent in a pitcher. Do animals make food by themselves? No. Animals that depend on plants and animals for food are called consumers or heterotrophs. Animals may be classified into herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, scavengers, decomposers. Herbivores. Animals that eat only plant are called herbivores or primary consumer. For example, cow, deer, buffalo, goat, etc. Carnivores. Animals that kill other animals to eat the flesh are called carnivores or secondary consumers. For example, lion, tiger, cheetah, fox, leopard, etc. Omnivores. Animals that eat both plants and flesh of other animals are called omnivore animals. For example, human beings, crow, bear, etc. Scavengers. Animals that eat the flesh of dead animals are called scavengers. For example, jackals, hyena, and vulture. Decomposers. Decomposers. Animals that feed on the leftover of the scavengers and make the soil fertile. For example, fungi, bacteria. Parasites. A parasite is an organism that live in or on a host and take all its nourishment. Sometimes it is harms, sometimes the relationship is neutral. For example, mosquitoes, leeches, roundworms, hookworms, lice, and ticks. Next about food chain. What is ecosystem? Living organisms interact among themselves and with the surroundings. Physical environment is called an ecosystem. All living things depend on each other for their food and existence. The flow of energy takes place from the sun to producers and then to the primary and secondary consumers. Finally, the decomposers feed on dead and decaying matters and they help to enrich the soil. What is food web? A network of many food chains is called a food web. Consumers are not dependent only on one type of food. They can eat variety of foods. A deer may eat plants or grass. A tiger may eat a deer, goat or a rabbit. Plants are eaten by crows, deer, goat and buffaloes. Balance in nature. In nature, there must be a balance among producers, consumers, and decomposers. If all plants are destroyed, what would happen to the herbivores? They would starve. If there are no secondary consumers, the primary consumers will eat all the plants and then there is no plants and even human beings will suffer. Hence, a balance is needed. We must also help to keep and maintain the balance in nature. In nature, there must be balance in every ecosystem. Next, we discuss about question answers. What are producers, consumers, and decomposers? Plants use water and carbon dioxide to make their food. Plants are called producers and they produce their own food. Animals cannot make their own food. They depend on plants and other animals for food. They are called consumers. Decomposers feed on the leftover of the scavengers and make the soil fertile. What is photosynthesis? Plants are the only living things on earth that can make their own food. Most plants make food in their green leaves by the process called photosynthesis. Third question. How are animals divided based on their food habits? Explain. Animals can be classified into different groups on the basis of their food habits. Herbivores. Animals that eat only plants. Carnivores. Animals that kill other animals and eat their flesh. Omnivores. Animals that eat both plants as well as the flesh of other animals. Scavengers. Animals that eat the flesh of dead animals. Decomposers. They feed on the leftover of the scavengers and make the soil fertile. Parasites is an organism that live in or on a host organism. Fourth question. What is a food chain? Give two examples. A food chain shows how the flow of energy takes place from the sun to the producer and then to the primary and the secondary consumers. Finally, the decomposers feed on dead and decaying matter and they help to enrich the soil. For example, water plants, small fish, big fish, grass, deer, lion. Fifth question, what is food web? A network of many food chain is called a food web. Sixth question, why should there be a balance in nature? In nature, there must be a balance among producers, consumers, and decomposers. In an area, if all the plants are destroyed, the herbivores would starve. If there are no carnivores, the herbivores will be eat all the producers and then there will be no plants and even human beings will suffer. Hence, a balance is needed. Seventh question. Name the insectivorous plants and explain how they capture insects. Some plants eat insects These are called insectivorous plants. They are green plants but grow in soil, which is poor in nitrogen. To fulfill the nitrogen requirement, they trap and eat insects. Example, pitcher plant has leaves having the shape of a pitcher. As an insect sits on the pitcher, its lid closes and the insect gets drowned in the digestive fluid present in the pitcher. Second section, choose and write the correct option. First one, lion is a carnivore. Second one, all food chains begin with green plant. Third one, chlorophyll is green pigment present in the leaves. Fourth one, mushroom is a non-green plant. Fifth one, animals that depend on plants and other animals are called heterotrophs. Sixth one, cactus has no leaves and hence the stem prepare its food. Third section, fill in the blanks. Animals cannot make their own food. Second one, a cactus does not have leaves. Third one, plants are called insectivorous. Fourth one, plants that eat insects are called producers plant. Fifth one, the roots of a plant takes in water from the soil. Sixth one, complete the food chain. Grass, goat, lion. Fourth section, write true or false. Correct the false statements. First one, animals that eat only plants are called omnivores. False. Animals that eat both plants and animals are called omnivores. Second one, parasites eat the flesh of dead animals. False. Parasites lives in or on a host organism. Third one, network of many food webs form a food chain. False. Network of many food webs forms a food web. Third one, network of many food webs forms a food chain. False. Network of many food webs forms a food web. Fourth one, parasites depend on plants for food. False. Herbivores depend on plants for food. Fifth one, all primary consumers eat producers. True. Sixth one, frogs, snake, eagle form a food chain. True. Thank you, children.